Welcome to the future of AI. The world is changing. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It is here, reshaping industries and empowering businesses of all sizes. But navigating the world of AI can feel overwhelming. Multiple platforms, complex integrations, and steep learning curves can be daunting. That's where Neuro comes in. Imagine a world where any AI model is at your fingertips, ready to supercharge your business. Neuro is the world's first universal AI app. It's your key to unlocking the power of countless AI models, all from a single intuitive dashboard. No more juggling subscriptions, wrestling with APIs, or struggling with technical jargon. Neuro simplifies AI, making its power accessible to everyone. Neuro isn't just about access, it's about results. Want to create a Hollywood-quality video in minutes even without a film crew? Neuro can do that. Dream of launching a full-fledged online business in under an hour? Neuro makes it possible. This revolutionary app comes packed with features designed to elevate your business, regardless of your industry. Generate captivating marketing copy that converts, design a striking brand identity in seconds, and transform your static website into a dynamic, engaging experience, all with the click of a button. Neuro even lets you clone and command voices, build a custom chat GPT tailored to your business needs, and effortlessly decode complex visual and data files. Neuro is your all-in-one AI powerhouse packed with tools to automate, optimize, and elevate every aspect of your business. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing with Neuro. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, efficiency is key. Neuro empowers you to achieve more in less time, freeing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. With Neuro, you can say goodbye to tedious coding, expensive developer fees, and time-consuming tasks. Our user-friendly interface, complete with drag-and-drop functionality, makes navigating the world of AI effortless, even for complete beginners. But Neuro's benefits extend beyond ease of use. Seamless integration with existing CRMs, databases, and APIs ensures your data flows effortlessly. Plus, Neuro's customizable templates, tailored for various industries, provide a springboard for your creativity, enabling you to launch projects quickly and efficiently. With Neuro, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're surging ahead. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a passionate influencer, a creative freelancer, or just starting your journey, Neuro is the tool you need to thrive in the age of AI. Imagine e-commerce store owners effortlessly generating product descriptions that convert, local businesses crafting hyper-targeted ad campaigns, and bloggers creating engaging content that ranks, all powered by Neuro. Neuro isn't limited to a specific industry or skill set. Its versatility makes it the perfect companion for anyone looking to harness the power of AI. Join the Neuro revolution today and unlock a world of possibilities.